Welcome to Designing Dolphins, brought to you by Mrs. Emmett. Since you can't come to Designing Dolphins, I thought I would bring the Engineering Design Challenge to you. So if you would like to do a design challenge this week, this video is just for you. As you know, when you come to Designing Dolphins, we always follow the engineering design process because that's what engineers do that want to solve problems. This week's challenge is to design a protective device for someone to wear that will keep them safe. So you're going to design a mask for someone that will help keep them safe. Our first step in engineering design is always to ask questions. And what's the first question we always ask? That's right. What problem are we trying to solve? Well, we know we have to make a mask for someone who needs to keep safe. So we know we have to make some type of mask. What is another question we ask? Yes, what materials do we need? Well, here's an example of what you could use. This is a mask or an outline of a mask that you could use and design. Or you can totally make up one of your own. The choice is yours. Part of asking questions is doing a little bit of research. So, what is protective gear? Well, you use protective gear all the time and you probably don't even think about it. When you go swimming and wear goggles, that's protective gear. When you ride your bike or your skateboard or go rollerblading, you wear a helmet and that's protective gear. If you play soccer, you wear protective gear on your shin for shin guards. And lots of jobs have protective gear on them also. Firefighters have lots of protection on their gear. Scuba divers have special things that they wear. A beekeeper has to have protection to keep them from getting stung by the bees. And sports players have lots of protective gear. So what kind of engineers would make these kind of devices? Well, today we're going to talk about biomedical engineers. Biomedical engineers makes equipment and devices that doctors use in hospitals. They also make replacements for body parts and organs. They could make some of the machines that they use in hospitals or doctors' offices, but mainly they use technology to help make people feel better. Our next step in engineering design is to use our imagination. So imagine what your design could look like. How could it be different from other designs you've seen? And how could you make it creative? And how could I make it so other people would want to wear it? Now you're going to make your plan. Sketch out your idea on a piece of paper or make a diagram labeling the parts. This is your brainstorming session where you can sketch out or draw what you think you'd like to make. Now it's time to create. Use your plan that you made and create your own design using the materials you have at home. Next is time to make some improvements. Are there any improvements to make? You need to ask yourself, does your design look pleasing? If so, then that's great. If not, then go back and make some improvements. Would people like to use it? Do you think people would want to wear the mask? If so, that is wonderful. If not, go back and make some improvements. The last step is to share. Share with your family or friends. You can upload it to Seesaw and do a recording and tell us all about your design, or you can have your family take a picture of it and put it on your class Facebook page, or put it on my GT Facebook page. Or you could email and share it with me at my email address. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and I can't wait to see your design. Great job! Hope to see you soon. Bye.